The Miami LSO can be used with a variety of different back panel configurations. Back panels are available with or without lateral supports, lordotic or non-lordotic, in sizes small up to extra large to suit individual patient needs. Some markets also offer universal back panels. Please visit www.oser.com for more information regarding back panels. The panels can be modified as necessary to optimize patient fit and comfort. Simply remove the fabric sleeve and adjust the rigid panel with a heat gun or place inside an oven. The panels can also be ground and/or trimmed for proper relief and comfort. To attach the back panel onto the belt, open the posterior cover, secure the panel to the inside of the belt, see the Oser label. Attach the elastic Velcro on the midline of the belt onto the belt arms. Close the posterior cover.